It's that time of year where we're decorating our house for the holidays. Stick around because I have some of the best home hacks to make it a little bit easier. Now, if you're gonna be buying a tree this year, I want you to consider a pre-lit tree. It makes life so much easier having a tree that's already pre-lit. Walmart has a ton of options to choose from if you're shopping in-store or online. I wanna thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. The thought of having to unstring lights at the end of the season is definitely enough to make me buy a pre-lit tree. There's a ton of affordable options at Walmart. I'm gonna link to some tree options down in the description box, as well as any other products I talk about in today's video. If you guys have watched any of my Christmas tree videos, you know most years I buy most of my Christmas decor at Walmart because it is really affordable. So I found this hack where you could actually take a garland and put it into your Christmas tree to make it look more full, which I think is a genius idea. So I picked up this one. It's a 9-foot garland and I love it. It's like cypress and it's got all of this different texture in it. So we are actually going to put this into my tree to see if we can make it look more full. So I'm just going to pull this garland apart and then I'm just gonna lace it through my tree, fluff it up, and hopefully it makes my inexpensive tree look a lot fuller. If you're wanting your house to be super cozy for the holidays, I think changing out your throw blankets and throw pillows is a great option. I love the brand Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. They have some really great holiday pillow options. So let me show you how I put my couch together for the holidays. All right, so my couch right now is super neutral. I'm gonna take these pillows off and make it more festive. So I'm gonna start with a cozy throw. This is a similar color to my couch, but it has a lot of texture. So I like to kind of drape it, I would say about 1/3 of the way over my couch. And then I just kind of bunch it up to give a little bit of texture. Now, because I kept it so neutral with my throw blanket, I need to kick it up a notch with my pillows. Walmart has some really high quality options. I love this like green and red, kind of like a plaid checkered pillow. And then this one has such great texture to it. So these are gonna be great on my couch. My next hack is how you can really dress up and personalize your stockings. So I found these really cool stockings at Walmart for under $10. Love the way they looked, but I wanted to add some ornaments to them. So I went over to their ornament section and found a few I liked. I love these little candy cane picks, super cute. And all I did was remove the tags from my stockings. And then with the candy cane picks, they had a clip on those, so I just attached those with the clip. Yes, every time the snow is falling down. For the ornaments, I actually hot glued those to the inside of my ornaments. And no one cares about Now to hang these up on my fireplace, I'm just going to use some clear command hooks. I find that works best for me. And here's a look at my stockings for the year. This next hack is really good to make your ornaments stand out a little bit more and make them look more substantial. So you're just going to need a pipe cleaner. I'm using red because I'm using red ornaments. And then you need just regular size ornaments. I have these red and white ones that I'm gonna use. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to string on around 3 to 4 different ornaments. I have 4 ornaments on here, and then I'm just going to twist it on the back so they're nice and connected. Now you have an ornament cluster. You can add this to your tree and just do the same thing. Put the pipe cleaner around one of your branches and twist it in place to create the effect of a larger ornament. I love this next hack for storing your ornaments. So what you're going to need is any container, use one you already have on hand, and a foam mattress topper. Get the most inexpensive one that you can find. We're gonna use the foam mattress topper to help protect our ornaments at the bottom of our container. Now the cool thing about this is you could do this with all of your containers really if you wanted to. So take your lid just to kind of give you an idea of how big you want to make it. You may have to cut it down a little bit smaller, but you're just going to cut your mattress topper to be the size of your container. So I cut my mattress topper to be down to the size of the lid, so I know it's gonna be too big. So either you can leave it to where it's coming up on the edge. I think I'm going to cut off just a little bit more. So now that I've created a really soft base to my container, I can add in all of my delicate ornaments and it's going to keep them nice and protected when I'm storing them. Now, when it comes to decorating for the holidays, you don't have to change out all of the decor in your house. Consider just adding in select pieces to your already existing decor. I found this Santa at Walmart, and Walmart really does have a wide variety of holiday decor to choose from, but this Santa fits so well in with my existing vase and florals. I also added in a few ornaments to make it look a little bit more festive, and this took me no time to put together. Now this next hack is one that you can use at the end of the season whenever it's time to put your tree away. Now a lot of times we have these big fluffy trees and we're trying to fit them into small boxes. Here's a hack for you. So whenever you push your tree branches together, use some self-adhesive bandages, wrap it around your tree. It's gonna make it so much more compact and it's gonna fit a lot better in the box. It's kind of a little difficult to get it started, but once you get it started and wrap it around once, it's really easy to just wrap the whole piece around. Whenever you take it out next year, you can just roll it up and reuse it over and over again, and it's really gonna help to hold those branches in place. When it comes to decorating for the holidays, consider looking around your house. What do you already have that you could add festive decor to? For example, in my home, I have this bowl and it's pretty plain. So I added in some shatterproof ornaments. I feel like it really raised the holiday cheer factor on this piece, and it took me a couple of minutes to do. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is red. I love adding subtle holiday touches. I feel like these battery operated candles are gonna be perfect. They come in a pack of 2, they're $15.98, and you just add in AAA batteries to them. Anytime you can add a really great smell in with your decor, I love it. So I bought some rosemary. This is fresh rosemary, and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my candles. To hold it in place, I'm gonna hot glue them in place. I'm not gonna hot glue them to the candles, just around, and it's gonna create kind of like a little decorative wreath at the bottom of my candles. Since I don't have enough rosemary, I'm going to overlap them and just add some hot glue. Now I have enough, I'm going to wrap it around loosely, and I'm going to have enough where I can well, first let me make sure that this is dry. And then I'm going to leave about maybe an inch or 2, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess. Okay, I'm gonna make another long one to wrap around my second candle. Then I'm just gonna add hot glue to one edge, wrap it around my candle at the base, and then I'll just put the other side on top. Now, one of the questions you guys always ask me is, Liz, how do you not burn yourself? I keep my hot glue on low heat setting. I never put it on a high heat, so I rarely burn myself. You can kind of see my glue here, so I'm just going to put a little sprig on top to disguise that. I'm gonna cut off some excess glue. And now I'm gonna wrap it around the smaller one. I have a little bit more to work with here, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that on and just add some glue. And you just wanna try to wrap it and disguise your hot glue as best you can. tree skirts can actually be pretty expensive. So here is a hack. Take a throw blanket. This one's by Better Homes and Gardens. I'll link it for you down below. You can just wrap this around the base of your tree and it's an instant tree skirt. With my first Christmas tree that I ever bought, I made the mistake of getting breakable ornaments. And I have to tell you, every year I would break a couple of them. It was such a mess to clean up. I was worried about them being on the floor with my kids. So the best thing you could do is get shatterproof ornaments. Walmart has a bunch of different sizes and selection to choose from, and they last so much longer. You don't have to worry about those ornaments breaking. So I definitely think over time, shatterproof ornaments will save you a lot of money and time cleaning up breakable ornaments. So this next hack is a way that you can add a wreath to a mirror, or you could put it on any door. So I bought these clear command hooks at Walmart. These hold up to 4 pounds. So I'm just going to pull off the sticky and put it on the middle of my mirror. Make sure you get whatever wreath you're going to put on your mirror. Figure out exactly where you want your wreath to be on your mirror before you press it in place. Then press your command hook in place, and then you can add your wreath. This wreath I am in love with. It actually matches my garland from Walmart, but it's just a really pretty, inexpensive wreath. I'm gonna link this gift wrap bag down in the description box. I got it this year and it's awesome. You can hold probably, I don't know, Delaney, what do you think? How many rolls could we fit in here?
It says it can hold up to 20.
20? Yeah, I definitely think so. My gift wrap right now is in like this crazy vase and it's everywhere. This is gonna hold my gift wrap so much easier. It's got these handles and then you can put it all through here. You can also store it upright like this. So I'm excited to use this year. All right, you guys, let me know down in the comments what your favorite hack is. I love knowing your opinion. And if you haven't already checked out Walmart for their affordable holiday decor, make sure you go check it out. And everything I talked about in today's video, I will link for you down in the description box. Don't be afraid to try that project you've always been wanting to try. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I hope you subscribe because I want to see you back here. Bye.